Hi folks, welcome back, and today we've got a really exciting unboxing for you. And by exciting, how exciting can a pair of pillows be? Which is why I'm in this unboxing. So these babies are the Stripes pillows, extra filled, and they're hotel quality. Now I got these from, where the hell did I get you from? So I got these from an online seller, so I don't really know where they're purchasing them from. That's why they're called Stripes pillows. So let's get these cut open. Now these are a rebuy. So I've already bought a pair about 6 months ago, and I'm renewing a different pair because I was really happy with these. So this is why I thought, do you know what, this time I'm going to show you exactly how amazing they are, because they're really small pack. They're small, but wait and see the actual size of them because they're stunning. Scissors, where are you? I'm assuming this is why they're called Stripes pillows because they've got stripes. And you know what? They're really good for sleeping on as well. Don't like feather pillows. These are 100% hollow fiber, if you've ever used those before, and the cover is poly cotton. I can't get the scissors off my fingers. So look at these. Give them a quick ba-bump. They don't need much, but over the course of the next half an hour, they're going to expand, and they're quite solid. I absolutely love them. They're 29 inches by about 19 inches, which is 75 centimeters by 50. Standard pillow size, I think. And there you are. That's how exciting pillows are, if you're still wondering. They are gorgeous, guys, and they fill really well. Look at that. 3 times the size of my head. Obviously, I love them. That's why I bought them. But I just thought whilst I was doing it, I know it's normally technology, but today you get pillows. We're expanding like the pillows. So these are going on next time I change my covers. I think we know each other well enough now to talk about our bed clothes. Apparently we do, so that's why you're getting this video as well. I will put a link in the description, so if you do want to go and find out more about Stripes pillows or Stripe pillows, then you can. I'm sold on the quality. Hopefully you will be too if you decide to get them. But they're well packaged, as you can see. They're not huge until you open them, and they're standard sized, and the quality is really good, guys. Like, I wish you could feel it, but you can't unless you buy them. Anyway, I'm going to go, and I hope that was helpful for those of you looking for pillows and you wanted a quick review. This is a review and an unboxing. I've used them before, been using them for about a year now, and I can't complain. That's why I rebought them, like I said. I will speak to you guys soon. Please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings and blog-based videos, as well as my other stuff. I will speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Pow!